The Electrical Coder.
Hello guys, now I will be calling from my phone to my old phone, which is transformed as a GSM phone or GSM module. You can see the light get activated. Like this, you can activate any number of devices in home. You can be used for home automation. Now if I call again from my phone, the light gets off. So in this way you can make use of your old phone. So let's go to the tutorial. Now get an old phone with a SIM inserted, and calling and everything is should be working with that phone. And I have removed the back side. Now take off the battery from it, and it have almost 3 layers. Better take a keypad phone, or touch phone is much more delicate and complex. So you can see 3 layers will be there. First we will unpack the display side, then again unwrap it. You should be very much careful while doing it, otherwise it may get damaged. So we came to the part where the camera, speaker and the vibrator is there. So the main idea of the project is that whenever a phone rings, its vibrator and speaker gets activated. Since speaker does not have much potential in here, we are getting the potential of the vibrator and knowing that the phone got activated. By using this concept, we are activating any devices in our home. So for that, to measure the potential rise in the vibrator, we are soldering 2 wires in the vibrators. These are the 2 points where the vibrator wires comes. So at this point we will be soldering, and we will be getting the potential when the ring comes. So let's go for the soldering. Yeah, the soldering is finished. As you can see, make sure that the 2 wires don't get short circuited, because they are small, tiny little points. There is a huge chance for getting short circuited. So make sure it doesn't happen. Now I am wrapping it carefully. Make sure you don't apply much force, because these phones are much delicate. So let's put the battery back. Yeah, everything is fine now. Let's switch on it. Yeah, it's working. So no problem with the soldering and all. And now let's check it with the multimeter, whether when the phone rings, whether there is any rising potential with the vibrators points. So let's give a call from my mobile. Initially the potential is 0. You can see the vibrator is turning on, and then after each ring it is turning off, turning on, turning off, as the potential rises and goes down. So now let's connect it to the Arduino. The one wire should be connected to the A0 pin of the Arduino. For reading the potential of we have examples in our Arduino library, so we'll be going for that. So now let's connect it. So this is the programming part. Let's take the example. Example is not our main script. The example part is just for viewing it, means whether everything is working fine with the Arduino. So let's upload the program to the Arduino, which I'm just copying it to the another file and just uploading it, nothing new. Yeah, uploaded. Now let's run. We can see in the serial monitor whether the potential was right. Yeah, we can see the potential is rising and lowering. Yeah, it's working fine as that of the multimeter. Now let's upload the main script. You can download the main script from my description. The Google Drive link is given, and upload my code to the Arduino. So this is a circuit diagram. You may be using a relay module. For that I have given the circuit diagram. I am not using a relay module. Instead I am making that relay. Means I have the relay, and I will be making up the circuit by myself. We have a 5-volt ground and trigger pin. I am using the 13th pin as trigger pin, and as usual the relay mode. Now I am giving a call. Yeah, it's working fine. Now let's go give a call to turn it off. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, let's close the phone. Yeah. Yeah, now let's check another device with without relay, means just connecting it to the 13th pin and ground. Yeah, the motor turned on. Now again let's call it. If you connect a LED also, it will turn it on and it will turn it off by the next call. Similarly, hope you guys enjoy my video. If you like my video, please press like button and subscribe to my channel. Next time I will be coming with a much more higher project. Stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.